Welcome to today's episode on how to add a photo to a person. In the person page of the person to whom you want to add a photo, click Memories. In Memories, go to the Photos section and click Upload Photo to upload from your device. If you already have a photo in your account's gallery and want to attach it to this person, just click Select from Gallery. Once the photo is added, it will say Processing. All photos uploaded are checked and approved by monitors. While it's processing, you can click on the photo and add tags and other relevant information. You can edit these at any time. Below the photo, there is also an option to record audio related to the photo. This can be great for storytelling and enriching this memory. The more information you add to a photo, the richer the discovery experience for future generations will be as they learn about their ancestors.